Hello everyone, Collector Net is back with a quick video. Got some Panini draft picks Prizm, Walmart style, and been a while, so I said I'll open these on camera. Should be at least one autograph per box, so that'll be something to look forward to. That's probably just about it. Okay. Don't look like they've been searched or anything, so. Okay. I'll start with the left pile. Okay, Rashard Penny. That's a cool cam. Okay, so they got some throwbacks up in there. This is a Prizm. Mike the Tiger. Prizm. The Duck. Leonard Fournette. Le'Veon Bell. John Elway. Blue. Benny Snell. He might be 2019. See, rookie. Blue Prizm. Calvin Ridley. Deshaun Watson. Terry Bradshaw, Royce Freeman, Bucky, Badger, Dan Marino, and an insert of Barry Sanders, Oklahoma. Tyreek Hill, insert of Baker Mayfield. Prizm of LeJordan Humphrey. I believe that's a Prizm, rookie Prizm, yeah. Thomas Brady and Troy Aikman. Aaron Rodgers, Antonio Brown, blue Prizm insert of Sam Donald. And those are not numbers. Roger Staubach flipped out of my hand, and Anthony Miller. Hopefully this has an autograph. It says on average one per box, so I don't mean you will get one. Another Cam, AJ Green, and we do have ink. Otaro Alka. Anyway, blue Prizm. 2019 prospect, so see what team he ended up on and what round he's drafted in. Another mascot, Albert, and Patrick Mahomes. Pretty cool. All right. Second pile. Insert Baker Mayfield again, ×2. Bradshaw, Dorset, refractor or Prizm, Red Grange, and Barkley. Antonio Brown again, Tyreek Hill again, Patrick Mahomes, blue Prizm. That's pretty cool. Nice insert. Lamar Jackson and Baker Mayfield, All-American insert. Emmitt Smith, All-American. Aaron Rodgers again. Prizm. Oh, it's an autograph of Derwin Thompson. Base Prizm autograph. Mike the Tiger again, and Jerry Rice. Wow, another Newton. AJ Green. Rodney Anderson, Prizm, rookie. The Tiger, not Mike. And Derrick Henry, last